In 1665, London faced the Great Plague, a devastating epidemic. Amidst the chaos, a peculiar phenomenon occurred. Decomposers, like fungi and bacteria, thrived in the city's waste, breaking down organic matter. This natural recycling process surprisingly reduced the spread of disease by cleaning the environment. As the plague waned, people marveled at nature's hidden helpers. Could these tiny organisms hold the key to preventing future outbreaks? The event highlighted the crucial role of decomposers in nutrient recycling, a lesson that resonates today. Their silent work continues to shape ecosystems, reminding us of nature's resilience.